First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. Run the software on your laptop, then you will see this main interface. Connect your Samsung phone to the laptop via USB cable. The software will quickly recognize your Samsung phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your Samsung phone to make sure the connection is established. After successfully connecting, all the data on your Samsung phone will be displayed by categories in the interface. Click Videos, then you can see all the videos on your Samsung phone in the interface. Tick off the videos you want to transfer, click Export, and choose a location on your laptop to save them. Then all the videos will be transferred to your laptop. Click OK when the progress is finished.